welcome to my channel. So today's our Codechef second problem is convert string. So basically you are given a binary string s of length n, and for a positive integer k, you can perform the following operations on the string. Choose k element from the string, that is string length is n. So any k element of this n length you can choose, and you can perform k flips on those k elements. Okay. So basically, if the string length is 3 and k is equal to 2, so you can perform k flips on this string. Okay. And it is also given like the flip would be 0 to 1 and 1 to 0 because the string is binary. Okay. And note that you can use multiple flips on the same element. So basically, if k value is 2, then you don't have to perform on k distinct elements the same operation. You can perform on one particular element also k flips. Okay, so basically you have to perform the k flips. Okay, that is important. It's not important that you have to perform the k flips on k element only or one element only. Okay. So, and what we have to do is we have to find the count of all the k in a range of 1 to n such that you can apply the operation optimally and make all the characters of the string equal. So here, as you can see, this 1001 is there. So you can choose any string or like any k characters and flip it. Okay, so k is equal to, suppose k is equal to 2, and if I flip 0 and 0, it becomes 1 1 1 1. Okay, so either it can become if all the string elements become equal, that is 1 1 1 1 or 0 0 0 0, then we will achieve the answer. Okay, so we have to find the number of ways we can achieve it. Okay, so so how can we achieve it? So if I see this particular string, if k is equal to 1, if I choose this one length string, and if I flip it, so 1 would become 0, but still all elements haven't become equal. So for k is equal to 1, it will not satisfy. For k is equal to 2, yes, I can flip these two zeros or these two ones, then it will become equal string. Okay, so count value will be 1. That is one answer is there. For 3, if I make 3 flips, so then also I can achieve the answer because like by making 2 flips I can make equal, but if I perform one more flip, then this either 1 or 0 will become 2 1 or 0, so it won't satisfy. But if k is equal to 4, it can be because our maximum length is 4 also 4 only. Yes, it can. So how I can flip these two zeros to ones, so 1 1 1 1. Okay, then I can perform one flip on this particular one, that is it will become 0, so our string would be 0 1 1 1, and again I will perform this flip at this 0, so it becomes 1 1 1 1 again. Okay, in this way, so I will so the maximum number of this is 2. Here also, like you can choose the k of length 3, and you can basically perform operation on them, so it becomes 0 0 0. So one answer could be there, and k is equal to 2 would also be the answer because first I will convert this 1 into 0, and again I will convert this 0 into 1, so it becomes 1 1 1 only. Okay, so two answers, there could be two possible answers. So what could be the possible code for writing for solving this particular problem? See, what I have done is I have taken the three test cases first, and I have taken this n as an input, string as an input. Okay, I will count the number of zeros and ones in this particular string. Okay, so if it's equal to 0, s of I is equal to 0, then zero's value is incremented, otherwise ones is incremented. Okay, and now here I have taken this count variable equal to 0, that will count the number of operations and number of ways we can find the answer. Okay, so what I will do is I will start from 1 until n. N is the string size. Okay, and I will check if I is greater, like for this particular, if I see for this particular example, number of ones is 3 and number of zeros are 0. So if I is greater than ones, that is 1 is greater than is equal to 3. No, this condition do not satisfy, so we will move to else part. If 1 is greater than is equal to 0, that is 0 only. 1 is greater than is equal to 0, yes it is. And I minus 0, that is 1 minus 0 modulo 2 is equal to 0, no it isn't. So I will not increment my count variable because see, Initially k is equal to 1. If I make one flip, then it will become 0, and it will the all the items won't be equal. That's why. Okay. Now I will become 2. 2 is greater than or equal to 3. No, so we will move to the else part. 2 is greater than or equal to 0. Yes, it is. And 2 minus 0 modulo 2 is equal to 0. Yes. So I will increment my count variable by 1. Because see, I can make two flips. So what I will do, I will, on the same bit, I will perform two flips. 1 to 0 and then 0 to 1. So it will become equal. So on k is equal to 2, we will find our first answer. And for k is equal to 3, so 3 is greater than or equal to 3. Yes, it is because number of ones is 3. Okay. And 3 minus 3 is 0. So 0 modulo 2 is equal to 0. So I will increment my count. So count becomes 2. So basically, I can flip all these ones into zeros. Okay. And I will definitely get the answer. That is all the elements are equal. Okay. So the concept is basically you have to find the minimum length of zeros or ones, like at that particular point you can make this string equal. So suppose if I take this particular string, so 2 is the minimum point, like for zeros also and for ones also, at which I can achieve the answer. So for ones, like two ones, I can flip them to zeros, so I will get the answer. Or if two zeros are there, so I will flip it, I will get the answer. Before that, one flip won't give the answer. So 2 is the minimum requirement. K is equal to 2. And now the pattern is if you find the answer at k is equal to 2, then you will also find the answer at k is equal to 4. And similarly, you will find the answer for k is equal to 6. Okay, this is the pattern. So basically, as because 4 modulo 2 is equal to 0, okay, and 6 modulo 2 is also equal to 0. That's why. Okay, here ones are 3. So 3, basically 3 minus 3 modulo 2 was 0. So for 6 also you will find the answer. For 9 also you will find the answer. For 15 also you will find the answer. Okay, but the length is 3, so we cannot take k is equal to 6, right? But the pattern is in this way. So you have to just look at that particular pattern and you have to apply this. Okay. Now if I run it, yes, it is running fine. And if I submit it, yes, it is submitted. So hope you have understood this problem, guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.